got a catch. So up early today, we're at Labrador Park. Today I'm gonna try and learn how to fish. I'm with my father-in-law, expert fisherman. He fishes almost every week. He's fishing, so I'm gonna learn, see if I can catch anything. If I can catch something, I'll cook it tonight. So let's see how we go. The sky is not looking that good, so you can see there's quite a bit of people fishing here already.
The prawn. No, this is the cuttlefish. I cut it out already.
This lady has been quite good today. There's a lot of kuning and what do you call it?
Tamban.
Tamban. Nasi lemak for this lady tonight.
Yes.
So you got a catch, but it's not edible.
Edible, but you must know how to. You must know how to cook it.
Fugu fish. So we've been out here for almost 2 hours. Still haven't caught anything, well, aside from the fugu pufferfish. Have you caught anything today?
Yes.
What did you catch?
Tamban.
Huh?
Tamban.
Tambana. Oh, going back already?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
It was raining earlier, but now the sun is out. So let's see if our luck changes. So fishing is really a test of patience. It's quite relaxing though. Just sit here and wait. The waiting game. Someone caught a big fish on the other side of the jetty, but no big fish on this side yet. So my father-in-law made these DIY rod clamps with pipe. There's a nice clamp system here. Actually works really well. We're using it today. So we're done for the day. 4 hours. No luck today. No catch, no luck.
Yes.
Actually, the whole jetty, there were many rods and nobody caught decent fish. Only the small tamban and kuning today. The opposite side, there's a guy who caught a big, what was it?
Airbag or diamond trevally.
Diamond trevally. Nice big size. I think it was about, it looked like it was about 2 kilos, 2.5. But this side, no luck, no ball, no catch, no bite. So no catch this morning at Labrador Park off the jetty. But my father-in-law did have some catch the other day on a boat, just off the shore of Singapore. 2 fishes, 2 small fish. Parrotfish. This is a very nice fish. Look, the head is like a parrot. Parrotfish. And I don't know my fish, but this might be a grouper. So we still have 2 catches. Catch and cook still applies. So I'm going to do cook today with tonight for dinner with these two fishes. I still have some nice small fragrant Thai garlic, so actually I might use this, so I might fry it. So I'll steam the fish, fry the garlic with soy sauce, and then pour it on top. So I'll just put some ginger on the fish and I'll steam it for maybe 7-8 minutes.